Hey everybody, welcome to another adventure. Today we are in Hollidaysburg. It's very close to Christmas, so I thought Hollidaysburg would be a cool place to visit. We are starting here at Canal Basin Park. We'll look around here a little bit, but I'll show you on the map what we're doing today. So we are here in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania, very near Altoona, Pennsylvania. And more specifically than that, we are here at Canal Basin Park. We are going to check out this park a little bit. After this park, we're going to check out Nature Works Park. And then from there, the park I have never been to but always wanted to check out was this hike up to see the view from Chimney Rocks Park. So no better place to be around Christmas than Hollidaysburg. But come along, should be a fun time. And we'll give you a look at the stream here. Very nice. Look at that. Wow. How nice is that? And a look at the other side here. Very nice. I don't believe it's very big of a park, but it looks like a little walking trail right along the stream here. We're going to take it to start off. Nice view of the town there. Wow. I'm not sure. Looks like an old canal part there. We may have to check that out a little bit. Matter of fact, we may have to check that out now. So yeah, looks like we'd be down inside the canal. We are the water and the boat. Original stone wall of Lock 38. Hollidaysburg. Wow, there you go. Pretty wild. So we'll continue the trail here along this beautiful stream. It looks like there's a trail weaves the whole way around this park. And we have a nice restroom here, which is not open. I have checked. But not sure what this is. We're going to walk up here and see what this might be. Oh yeah, there is what we have. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. This park's not real big, but quite sure which way to go from here. Let's check out the trains and then we'll head back to the trail there. But I want to see this cool little train over here first. Check this out. Wow. Well, Bob, if you're watching this, you'll have to let me know what all this is. You're the train expert, ex-railroad, retired railroadman. What is this? And we really miss having our expert railroader Bob out here on the trails with us. As always, keep Bob in your prayers. He's fighting to get better and get back out here. Come on, you old stubborn mule, come on. Pull that boat. Ah, no, that's a good mule. Turning spindle. The approximate location of turning spindle which aligned the ropes used to pull the canal boats out of the water. Okay, very cool. It would be a big turntile spindle here that would hook a rope to pull the canal boats. Very neat. Here we have original four-wheeled cradle and track of the Allegheny Portage Railroad. Wow, Very cool. Wheels and track from the Allegheny Portage Railroad. Very neat. Wow. And cool old house there. A nice little bridge we'll cross here in a bit. And a lovely play area for the kids. Wow, very neat. Look at this. Oh, we're not crawling through there, but we will not go under here. Oh. 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 Now, you know I'd love to get down that slide. Think we can? Or am I too big? You know what? I don't want to break anything. So how about the smaller slide? Let's go around and try the smaller slide. So I kind of promised you a slide, so are you ready? Oh. Oh. You guys ready? Ready for this? Hope I don't get stuck. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 Oh, that was fun. You know what? Let's do it one more time. Nice view from here. Check this out. Beautiful church. Beautiful church over there. But I had so much fun. We're gonna try this one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. Wow. 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 We didn't have such cool stuff. Cool stuff when we were kids. Check this out, a replica of a canal boat. Very neat. So yeah, we've pretty much seen most of the park already. We're gonna start heading out. I had a lot of fun. The kids' playground there. Very nice. Pennsylvania Main Line Canal, Guard Lock 38. And there we have But I believe that'll do it for Canal Basin Park. Gets a thumbs up from me. I really enjoyed it, especially the slide. But anyway, I'll see you at the next park. So we have made it to Nature Works Park. It's only a quarter of a mile from where we just were, so we're going to take a little walk and see what we can see. And I see some rocks up there. Is that Chimney Rocks where we will be? I am not sure. But for now we are at Nature Works Park. Another small little park, but very nice. Pollinator friendly garden. So I'm sure this place is much nicer in the summer. Wow, I am very, very excited. Very, very excited to get up. Hopefully that's where we'll be a little later. I'm not 100% sure, but I think. Ooh. We can go that way to a small boardwalk through the woods. I'm torn. Well, you know I like boardwalks. Let's check it out. So yeah, I imagine this would be beaming with life in the warmer weather. Just kind of a stand there, bird roost. Wow, pretty nice spot. And we even have a trail that takes us to the stream. Wow. Look at that. And that beautiful view of those churches. Wow. Wow, yeah, so many great spots in these little parks. You don't have to go far from the parking lot and you can find yourself a beautiful spot to just relax. And this trail here runs right along the stream. Look at this. Wow. Woo. Somebody's fishing spot, probably. Wow. And there we are. Need a drone. In loving memory, Rhonda Russell. Beloved daughter, mother, and fiance. We love and miss you. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree. And there's some balls on here that say, like, love you and miss you. Pretty neat. But anyway, I think that'll do it for this park. Very neat park. Nature Works Park. Right beside the Canal Park. And right close to Chimney Rocks Park. And that's where I'll see you next. So we have made it to Chimney Rocks Park. But on the way in, I noticed an iron furnace. So before we leave, we will check out that iron furnace. So we are going to see if there's a trail that leads up to Chimney Rocks. I've seen pictures, so there's somewhere leads up to the rocks. Pretty cool rocks right here. It looks like a trail. Looks like a trail there, and that looks open, so we may be able to take that trail. But look at this. Wow. Wowee, wow. That is an amazing view. So from up here, you can really see around. And you can see the two parks we were just at. Right down there was the first park we were at, Canal Basin Park. And from there, over here was the Nature Works Park. Very cool. And there was my little, where I needed the drone. Very cool. But look at the view you got from here. That may be Altoona. That may be Altoona. Way over there. I'm guessing that's Altoona. Is that Altoona? But anyway, look how far you can see. And those beautiful churches. One there. And one beside it. And another one right over there. And way on top of the mountain over there is them big ugly windmills. But wow, what a really cool view from here. So yep, very cool view from here, but somewhere there is a trail that leads up there. I'm going to try and follow this, so come along. So we are going to see if there is a trail on up here. trail goes that way. Looks like a trail that way. Let's go this way. So there is a trail here. Right now it's downhill and kind of slippery, but it's a trail. Yeah. A little bridge here. Very neat. Very cool. Look at that. Well, I'm glad I brought my walking stick, because this is on the side of the mountain and it is a little slick. So Hollidaysburg. Holiday. Celebrate. Do, 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 do. Madonna. Yeah, that's an oldie. Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty slippery. Holiday. Celebrate. I can't think of any other holiday words, songs that have holiday in it. If I think of any, I'll get back to you. If you know any, let me know. Holiday. Whoa. Oh. Ah. So up there's the rocks that I was hoping we would get to. Well, maybe this, hopefully it swings around to there. And yeah, we are starting to go up. We're starting to go up now. That's a good sign. Oh, we're almost on top. Look at that view. Wow. Wowzer. Very cool. Wow. Well, let's keep going. See where this leads us. Ah. It leads us to the star, and I believe you can see this star really well at nighttime from down in Hollidaysburg. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm scared. Whoa. 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 Scaredy face. Whoa. And that's as far as you're getting this fella. Wow. 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 And amazing. Wow. Star of wonder, star of night, star of royal beauty bright. Wow. That's scary. Ooh. One last scary look for you all here. Wow. How crazy is that? Oh. That's enough for me. I get the heebie-jeebies or whatever you call it when I'm real close to the edge there. Why is that? I know some of you are like that, and some of you have no fear at all. Why are we built that way? But we're going to continue on and check out this rock too while we're at it. So yeah, I didn't think the look could get any better, but let me show you here. Check this out. And I feel a little safer behind this. Look at the Chimney Rock's famous Indian outlook, donated to Blair County Historic Society. Dedicated October 17th, 1924. Look at this view. Look at that. We were just standing over there. There's our star. Wow. Doesn't get much better. Wow, wow. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. So one last look from up here before we head down. What a spot. If you've never been here and you're able, get here. If you can't walk very far or get very far, that lower part is great, even for handicapped. They made the path wide enough you can get to that overlook. So I would suggest getting here if you've never been here. And if you can take the trail up, this is awesome. But one last look around here. And then we're going to look for that iron furnace on the way out. Look at that. Wow. And here is maybe why they call it Chimney Rocks. On the way down this trail, I saw a couple picnic benches and we're right beside the overlook. But I'll take you down there, look. So we were just up there, but there's rocks like a chimney. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, no, we're not getting too close to that. Ooh. Look at that though. Pretty cool view from here. Very neat. There. Look at that. Wow. And now we get a look to the other side. Pretty wild. Not much of a view, but a little peak. And yet another little side trail with a bench. All kinds of little getaways here. Look at this. Now we might get a view of the other mountain. Wow. Wow. Very cool. I never knew all this was here. Wow. And down there's the park we started in, and there's where we are parked. Wow. Very neat. So yeah, like I said, there is an old iron furnace here on the road coming in. Let's take a closer look here. It's you can't really see into the. I'll stick you in there. See if you can see anything. See anything in there? Or do you see anything? Can you see anything in there? Up there? Can you see in it? So you guys will know before I do if you can see anything. What a cool, almost old piece of pipe or an old spike. Pretty neat. Iron furnace to top off our day here. Anyway, as always, thanks for coming along. God bless all of you. Praying for all of you. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.
Shot of joy today. Look around and hear all that I say. can be found. I hope you join me on these happy trails.